Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve 8 ball white screen. To know how to fix or how to solve 8 ball white screen, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this window you will enter to 8 ball. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page, you will click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.